hide behind small mercies.
Never spoken the truth. I see Otto Hightower for what he is.
An unwavering and loyal hand.
A cunt!
What have you done? The rat catch us!
Oh, I had them hanged. The maggot who took my son confessed to an accomplice. He could not say for certain which man it was.
Idiot!
We desire to release you of your seed, such as it was. Sure you'll be much pleased to return to more domestic pursuits.
This is for my boy.
Believe me, I had no choice.
I don't understand.
Brother! Do not do this. I beg you.
As the indignities of your childhood not yet sufficiently been avenged.
I don't want them closer. I don't know them.
There's a chill in the air.
He's worse than a fool. He's murdered innocent men
And one guilty one.
and hanged them from the walls of the city for all to see.
Plot against the king, and I will pay it back 100.
They are fathers and brothers and sons. And their wives and children gather now at our gates to weep and curse your name.
Stand with a dragon of House Targaryen! What do you want?
This is barely enough to sustain him.
So he's alive.
Yes, gods be good.
Well, my time is short and I have need of an army. Perhaps you might place a feathered pillow over his head and speed along your inheritance.
I feel sad about Jaehaerys. That horrid procession where the small folk all stared at me. I warrant they thought I had no more right to grief than they do.
Your Grace!
Sir Laurent!
I wish to spill blood, not ink.
Life, I have endeavoured to serve both my house and the realm, and somehow none of it matters. We cannot. Again.
Me, Your Grace!
Dignity. Fuck dignity. I want revenge.
Thank God, Bailey's.
Forgive me.
No! No!
He said he was the prince that was promised to unite the realm. What? I desire peace as you do, but to accept. My father used those words. The prince that was promised. Did he? Yes, he did.
The hour is late. My dragon is hungry. You have no choice but to submit.
And Lord Stark has promised 2,000 men. Do you think my ancestors built a 700-foot wall of ice to keep out snoring savages? What does it keep out? Death.
He spoke to you of the Song of Ice and Fire. It's a story he once told about Aegon the Conqueror. The Conqueror.
My father is dead.
He is. And we are the poorer for it.
Tell the realm she has done this. I'll have the realm told nothing. We were assaulted within our own walls, within our own beds. I will not be seen as weak.
You're already seen as weak, Aegon. He was right about you.
He made me king.
Is that what you think?
I'll kill them! I'll kill them all! Traitors and villains! They dare strike at me! Traitors and villains! Fire from the sky! This is war! I declare war! I declare war!
Did you say it? The heir for a day. Did you say it?
You can't possibly still be angry about this.
My family was just destroyed. You should have been at my side.
David, she's gone.
You needed me. I'm here now. I'm here now.
And instead you chose to celebrate your own rise, laughing at me. Laughing with the whores and lickspittles. No. You have no allies at court but me. I have only ever defended you. In everything I've given you, you've thrown back in my face. I've decided to name a new heir. You are to return to Runestone and your lady wife at once. And you are to do so without quarrel, by order of your king.
My son is my legacy! My son is heir to the Iron Throne!
Yes, we'll know who did this soon enough.
Who did this? What? Is there any question who did this? Who would do this save the bitch queen of bastards? The smug cunt of Dragonstone. There she sits across the bay on her rock, laughing at me. She's fucking laughing at me!
There are records here, surely, of our line and of those who fell out.
It's better than death and defeat.